I noticed with us that you currently use our phone system, Persona Connect. What actually drove you to utilize or explore new phone systems, and how does that help the grass pad out today?
Well, first of all, we've been extremely pleased with the Persona Connect. What the how we got here is um, I discovered that our prior phone system was end of life, had no new software updates, no security updates, no new user licenses available, and that presented a big problem for bringing a new facility online. Um, and so we reached out to a couple of different companies. We had worked with Allegiant for some tech support with our prior phone system. And that was one of the reasons that I reached out to them. I reached out to another company that we use for some other items. And Allegiant's presentation and was very professional and very inclusive, much more so than the other company. We like the other company for what they do for us, but that is what led us to pursue the Allegiant direction.